Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by diagnosing where the stiffness lies. Stand in your setup and make a slow backswing while measuring shoulder turn around 45 degrees, noting any restriction. Check your grip pressure and aim for about 40% to 60% of a firm grip. Too tight creates early wrist and forearm tension. Observe hip turn versus shoulder turn. If the pelvis lags and limits rotation, you will feel a block. Record a front and down-the-line video to compare movement, and mark where the swing stalls or reverses. Fix mobility with 3 focus drills done slowly and deliberately. First, thoracic rotation with a resistance band across your shoulders to improve upper spine range, aiming to add about 1 inch of rotation reach per week. Second, wind-up hip turn drills with feet shoulder width and a metronome set to 60 BPM to synchronize lower body rotation and tempo. Third, controlled wrist hinge repetitions, setting to about 90 degrees at the top of takeaway while maintaining relaxed forearms, repeating 20 times per side to build fluidity. Implement a structured 6-week plan. Complete 3 strength sessions focused on glutes, core, and posterior chain, and 2 mobility sessions emphasizing thoracic and hip rotation each week. Spend 15 minutes daily on the targeted drills from this lesson, and add 2 30-minute on-course or range sessions weekly to apply movement under realistic conditions. Use a camera recording at 60 FPS once per week to review shoulder and hip turn, tempo, and wrist set. Adjust intensity gradually and reduce grip pressure to maintain fluidity throughout practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.